Greetings everyone. This is Harshit and welcome to today's Tech News Bulletin by IT Voice. Acer, a global pioneer in technology solutions, is excited to unveil the Acer IZ Interactive Series, the latest additions to its lineup of state-of-the-art interactive panels. With a vision to reshape the educational and corporate environment, these interactive panels deliver captivating learning experiences and innovative functionalities that empower businesses and educational institutions. The Acer IZ65A and IZ75A series offers an ultra-thin and anti-static metal body boasting 4K UHD IPS displays that bring vibrant colors and sharp details to life blending with the power of sound. These interactive panels provide a highly responsive touch interface supporting up to 40 touch points for seamless collaboration and engagement. Google's upcoming high-end smartphones, the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, are still several months away from release, but details about their features have been leaked. Notably, there will be improvements in the battery capacities and charging speeds of both devices. According to reports, the Pixel 8 is expected to have a moderate increase in battery capacity with a 4485 mAh battery compared to its predecessor 4270 mAh. On the other hand, the Pixel 8 Pro will see a slight bump to 4950 mAh, an increase of only 24 mAh. Taskmo, a gig discovery platform, announced 220% year-over-year revenue growth for the fiscal year 2023. Taskmo has worked with 200 plus brands and 1000 plus projects across the country. Taskmo has successfully completed 2 million plus tasks with the help of over 75,000 plus gig workers till now. Clients range from startups to Fortune 500 companies including Amazon, Flipkart, Tata Group, Reliance, Paytm, Bajaj Finance, Byju's, Uber, Meesho, Ola, Swiggy, Zomato, SBI, Airtel, ITC, BharatPay, PhonePe, and BigBasket among others. Taskmo is currently serving across 10,000 plus pin codes in the country. In 2022, the total number of distributed denial of service attacks worldwide increased by 115.1% over the amount observed in 2021. According to new research from NexusGuard released in its DDoS statistical report for 2022, the data also showed that cyber attackers continue to alter their threat vectors by targeting the application platforms, online databases, and cloud-based storage systems within internet service providers. This resulted in a significantly greater impact globally as organizations continue to move more of their workloads to the cloud. While the overall number of DDoS attacks did more than double, the maximum size of 361.9 gigabytes per second represented a 48.2% decrease over those measured in 2021. Average attack size also shrank by 22.4%. Reliance Jio has launched the Jio Bharat device for Rs 999 available at an EMI of Rs 123 per month. A feature phone aimed at facilitating the transition from 2G to 4G networks in India. This budget-friendly phone offers a range of features including a 1.77-inch screen, Jio app for entertainment and digital payment, a torch, a radio, a 0.3 MP camera, expandable storage and a headphone jack. The primary objective of the Jio Bharat device is to make internet-enabled phone accessible to a broader audience in line with Reliance Jio vision of bridging the digital divide and creating a digitally connected India. Infovision Incorporation, a leading global digital services company headquartered in Dallas, is delighted to announce the appointment of Sri Rangnath Kulkarni as its new managing director. SK brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise with 37 plus years of diverse experience in growing successful businesses. In his new role, SK will helm Infovision journey towards accelerated growth, capitalizing his expertise in sales delivery and client management. His vision aligns with Infovision's commitment to empowering businesses, transforming them into intelligent, data-driven digital enterprises. Tomok, the leading mobility as a service platform, has partnered with Rapido, a popular 2 and 3-wheeler ride-hailing service, to revolutionize first and last mile connectivity in India. This partnership enables Tomok users across over 20 cities to effortlessly book Rapido ride through the Tomok app, providing unprecedented convenience and connectivity. Tomahawk has proactively onboarded Rapido as a first mile and last mile provider with just a few taps on their smartphone. Tomahawk users can now easily plan their journey, purchase online BMTC tickets, and book Rapido ride for their first and last mile. Cartech, a digital transformation consulting company specializing in SAP and S/4HANA implementation, has raised $30 million dollars from A91 Partners, a leading investment firm headquartered in Mumbai. Gautam Mago and Kaushik Anand from A91 Partner will be joining the board of Cartech. This partnership aims to fuel Cartech's organic and inorganic growth across existing markets in the Middle East, the European Union, and North America, and marks the beginning of a new chapter in its growth journey, with a particular emphasis on establishing a strong presence in North America. After launching the iQOO Neo 7 in India in Feb this year, the Vivo subsidiary is launching the iQOO Neo 7 Pro in the country today at an offline event. This is the first time iQOO Neo series is getting a Pro model in India. The upcoming smartphone is said to be a rebrand of the iQOO Neo 7 Racing Edition that launched in China in December last year. The Samsung Display, a subsidiary of Samsung Electronics, has initiated a lawsuit against China's BOE Technology, alleging the infringement of 5 display-related patents used in mobile devices, including Apple's iPhone 12. The lawsuit was filed in a US court in East Texas, known for its efficiency in handling cases. Samsung Display is seeking damages and an injunction to stop the import and sale of the infringing display. Apple has been utilizing OLED displays in its Apple Watch and iPhone models, with the latest being the iPhone 14. Samsung Display currently dominates the OLED market, but BOE has been gaining ground and surpassed LG Display as the second largest player in the market last year. CleverTap, the all-in-one engagement platform, released its industry benchmark report for travel apps. In the rapidly evolving mobile app landscape, staying ahead of the competition is crucial for marketers. Therefore, benchmarking performance has become imperative to stay ahead of competition. Travel app market will be able to boost conversions and drive higher app activity through the report's insights. While 80% of travel app users that sign up do so within 31 seconds, only 42% make a transaction within the first month. This is markedly lower than FinTech's 95% and FoodTech's 65% sign up to conversion rate. On a spree of revamping wearable technology for Indian consumers, a decade-long smart technology brand with massive market reputation, Compaq has added QWatch X-Beat series smartwatch to its product line. The advanced and stylish smartwatches of Compaq have 1.78 AMOLED high-definition displays, which overcome challenges with traditional LED displays with their high brightness, wide color support, and incredible color accuracy. Atlassian Corporation plc, a leading provider of team collaboration and productivity software and the maker of Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket, and Trello, has been ranked number 8 in India's best companies to work for 2023 by the Great Place to Work Institute, jumping 15 places from a rank of 23rd in 2022. The rankings are based on the result of the Great Place to Work Trust Index survey and culture audit, where companies are assessed on their values drive culture, employee benefit, and authentic leadership. Among the criteria, 4.5 million employees from 1394 organizations across 22 industries took part in the assessment this year, out of which the top 100 companies were awarded. Spotify has introduced a feature called Group Sessions for Spotify Premium subscribers, allowing them to engage in shared music experiences, initially available on mobile devices and tablets since its launch in May. There are indications that the feature may soon be expanded to the web version of Spotify. A Reddit post suggests that group listening sessions are nearing release, indicating that the feature launch could be imminent. With group listening session, users can create collaborative music sessions where multiple participants can listen to the same playlist simultaneously. Each participant within the group has the ability to control playback and adjust the volume, enhancing the interactive music streaming experience. Ramco Systems, a global enterprise software company focusing on next generation cloud enterprise applications, today announced the appointment of Sundar Subramaniam as its Chief Executive Officer. As an accomplished global technology leader with over 30 years of experience in growing businesses by nurturing customer relationships, driving sales, enhancing operational and delivery excellence, and integrating acquisitions, Sundar in his new role will lead the organization and further build upon Ramco's portfolio of enterprise offerings with renewed focus on execution and growth. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to tune in to our new Emerging Tech Trends series. Subscribe and share IT Voice for more such tech updates.
Using Adobe, Canva are getting old. What if I tell you this AI tool will change your life? A person who's interested in graphic designing, Photoshop, editing, a lot of things. Before I tell the name of the tool, save this reel and share with your friends. Point number 1, advanced editing pictures. In this tool, you can have advanced techniques like layering, effecting that is automized. Using this tool, human efforts have been made very less. Second point, seamless integration. Whether you are a person who is using Adobe, Canva, Microsoft Designer, you can integrate the tools inside this and you can use it very wisely. Number 3, extensive library of assets. It has a very huge library of assets, whether you have to perform any visual art, you want to customize things, hit font, graphic, stickers, a lot of things is there. Highlighting the bonus point, you can talk to people in their community, get inspiration ideas and tutorials on it. Read the caption for more. Follow our IT Voice short channel for more and share with your friends. See you soon in the next